How to make poster online using the Canva. So search canva.com, create your free account with Gmail, and here search poster. You will get so many options, and here you will see the ready to use template. Just make changes according your need. Select it and click on customize template. Here you have to click element and make changes what you need. Your website, and also you can undo changes. Once you're done editing, click here, download, and set the size according your need. Select JPG, PNG, PDF, print, and download. So this is the fastest way to create the poster using the Canva, like this. Thanks for watching.